So in this video you will get tips and tricks and how you can prepare for the exam, what things you should carry, and of course my best of luck from my side. Hello student, I am Dr. Pamita Basu from Art and Design. So 21st January is UCEED exams. So today I have come for the last minute tips and tricks, how you can give exam and what you should do while giving the exam. First, you should know that this time the practical exam has more question than last year exam, so your drawing paper will be little bigger and maybe the theory questions will be little lesser. But always you should remember that a theory is also very important, like drawing is important. Theory, I think the paper you will get first, and it is a computerized paper. You have to give it in computer, and drawing, of course, you will be getting paper and then you carry all the materials which are required for drawing, like pencil or any type of 2B, 4B, 6B pencil and pencil colors. Don't take watery colors like watercolor, post color. Take dry colors, and also you can take micron pens, and do take rubber, and you can take kneaded eraser also. So these things which you take should be taken in transparent bag, which will be helpful to show the people that you have only the material required for the paper, and all the things you are taking should be in transparent bag. Also take your water bottle, and also take a mask and sanitizer, because now again the corona is also coming and you should be careful while doing the paper. Now when you are doing the paper, always for the theory paper, read the paper question nicely and then answer the question. It will be multiple choice questions. For the practical question, I will advise you first draw both the questions, read it and draw it properly, then go for coloring. I have seen people doing one by one question, color it and then do it, and they spend so much time in doing one question, so then the other question remains. So I think it is advisable to actually do both the drawings, then go for the coloring, and then you should always complete the paper, which is very important. There are so less time now left for the exam. 2-3 days are only left. How you will improve and how you can do it. One, you should do lot of tests, mock tests. You can even go for our mock test, but you can go for older mock papers which are already available in the Google. You can do search them and then do the mock test. Plus do prepare drawing paper. For drawing paper, please do perspective very well, because there is a question of perspective, and which from not only like one normal perspective but different angle perspective it comes in the paper. So do practice perspective very well. Do practice animals, do practice human figures, do practice other shadings, which is like doing object studies. All these things are required. How you will practice? Do random sketching, which is very important. Practice and do lot of line practice, which will improve your lines, and do lot of shadings. You can do live shade drawings, which is also very important. I think live drawing actually improves a lot. Or if you don't get any live things or drawing or human figures, you can even see photographs and draw. That will also help you in practicing. But at least in a day, practice for 3 hours for drawing practice. Give that 3 hours properly, so that you can improve your drawing. And I think this is very, very important for all the students who are going to appear for UCEED exam. So like and share this video, and those who are coming first time in this channel, do subscribe us. For all the students who are preparing for UCEED exam, best of luck from me and my team, Art and Design. We will meet you with more videos. Bye for today.